Make a shopping list. Get a shopping cart. Find pasta. Compare prices. Find the lower price. Correct. Add to cart. Find pasta sauce. Compare prices. Find the lower price. Correct. Add to cart. Find meatballs. Compare prices. Find the lower price. Correct. Add to cart. Find Parmesan cheese. Compare prices. Find the lower price. Correct. Add to cart. Find ravioli. Compare prices. Find the lower price. Correct. Add to cart. Time to check out. Scan and bag each item. Follow on-screen directions. Insert cash. Take receipt. Take change. Grab bag and put away cart. What was one food on the list? A, pasta sauce, B, cherries, or C, bread? Correct answer is pasta sauce. What was used to carry the groceries? A, basket, B, bag, or C, shopping cart? Correct answer is shopping cart. How did I pay? A, debit card, B, cash, or C, credit card? Correct answer is cash. What was in the freezer section? A, meatballs, B, cheese, or C, apples? Correct answer is meatballs. What type of checkout was used? A, self-checkout, B, scan and go, or C, cashier? Correct answer, self-checkout.